Which is the fastest way to get notes into Evernote? Is it the Evernote native app or is it the Drafts app? Find out in this week's episode. Hello and welcome to another episode of my Working with Evernote series. My name is Carl Pauline and this week it's for all you iOS users out there. So if you are an Android user, then maybe this episode isn't going to help you because Drafts is not available on Android. And I don't know if it will ever come on Android. I'm not the Drafts developer. But this week, something that people have been asking a lot recently is why am I using Drafts to collect all my notes into Evernote? Because they say that the Evernote native app on my iOS devices is fast to get notes in. And that's true, it is reasonably fast. But what I wanted to do was to give you a comparison to how Drafts will collect a note and how using the native app on your phone or iPad that will get you the note into Evernote. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Now, before I do that, I would just like to say, if you get any value from this episode at all, then please hit that like button below. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel and you want all the latest things that I do with Evernote in these videos, then please hit that subscribe button. Okay, let's go into Evernote now. And well, not actually into Evernote. Let's just go into my phone right now and let's get on with the comparison. Okay, so here we go. We're going to do a test and I think we'll start with Evernote. Now, for most of us, if you're using the Android device, obviously this particular episode is not going to help you because Drafts is not available on an Android device. So what we're going to do is, first up, we're going to just tap on the Evernote logo and we're going to hit plus and we can just type in, this is a new note. So there you go, that's one, and then you can just hit done, and we've now created the new note. So there we go, that's how you can do it by opening up Evernote. Now remember, these days I should point out that I'm in one of my phases of loving dark mode. So there we go, I'm in dark mode. There is another way, of course, to hit get tasks into Evernote, and that's using 3D touch. You just tap on that, and I can tap on new note, and it goes straight in and I can start adding a new note. So this is another new note. So that's essentially probably the fastest way if you're going to use the native app and you're using an iOS device is to use 3D touch, because all you're doing is pressing down on the icon, and when you do that you can get straight into creating a new note, and that is actually pretty fast way of doing it. Okay, now let's look at how to do it with Drafts. Now, as you can see down in the bottom right hand corner, I have my Drafts set up. So I tap on that and I can just start typing, this is another new note times 2. And all I've got, as you can see at on my top of the keyboard there, I've got the tick sign at the left hand side. That's for Todoist, but this is going to Evernote. So I tap on that and off it goes. Bang, it's gone to Evernote. Now for me, that is the fastest way to get notes into Evernote. Now the beauty of this is also, while I'm still in, I can now I can actually go another note and hit the note icon, and bang, it's gone to Evernote. That is super fast. If I was in the Evernote app and I wanted to create the note, I can click on that and I can do note. My inbox is going to be crazy after this, and click done. And then I have to add plus again, and I'd start again. And it's getting a little bit, you're doing a lot of adding stuff. So the choice really is yours. If you're not using Drafts, that's absolutely fine. As I've been testing, and one of the things I often do test is which is the fastest way to collect stuff. And if I wasn't using Drafts, then I would have to say that it's 3D touch, because that just means I can bang and I can take photo, I can do search, you can do all sorts of things actually from there. That's really good. However, I should point out there is a rumor going around on the Apple websites at the moment that 3D Touch is going to disappear soon. So I wouldn't want to create myself a new way of doing something and only to find that it's going to get discontinued. Drafts, however, for me is the fastest way. And the other beauty of drafts, as far as I'm concerned, is that as I start typing, I might realize that something is not actually an Evernote note. It might be something that I want to add to Todoist, and I can make that decision once I've collected the note. The key part for me is collecting the note first. Then I can decide where I want to send it. Anyway, I wanted to show you and demonstrate that that comparison for you, so you can make your own minds up whether you want to use drafts or whether you want to use the native Evernote app when collecting stuff. Okay, well, thank you very much for watching this episode. It just remains for me now to wish you all a very, very productive week. Thank you very much for watching this video. Now, have I got something special to tell you about? The Time and Life Mastery version 3 course has launched. Now, this course is transformative. It will transform your life. If you find that your life is drifting from one day to the next and that you feel that you're not actually achieving your goals, then this course is going to show you how to change that. It's going to show you how to identify what is truly important to you. It's going to show you how to find what it is you want out of life, and then show you the steps that you need to take in order to get there. This course is amazing. The feedback I've got from versions 1 and version 2 have just been tremendous. It has helped so many people, and I want this opportunity to tell you that it can do the same for you. I hope you will take a look at the course, have a go, take the course, and start transforming your life today. This course will do that for you. Take a look, get yourself enrolled, and hopefully I'll see you in the course.